Okay, here we have a fairly routine Venn diagram question. Make sure you read the text carefully. Now, each student must study at least one of the three subjects, and that tells us that there's nobody who studies no subjects. So we can actually put a 0 straight away in the region outside of the three circles. And then we spot reading on that there are 65 students. And then we spot that we've got 15 study all three. Great, so I can bang a 15 there right in the middle of the diagram and cross out the 15. The 65 we'll hopefully come back to in a minute. Now then we have 21 study geography and history. So I'm going to put a 6 there in the diagram and cross out the 21 here. Of course, these two should add up to 21 because 21 study geography and history. And look, that's the overlap or the intersection between geography and history. Carrying on like that, 16 study geography and religious studies. So these two numbers must add up to 16. 30 study geography. So all four of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers should add up to 30. And that makes that one there 8. Okay, 18, study only religious studies, so that just means we can put 18 here. And finally, 37, study religious studies. So they've just removed the word only this time. So basically, again, everyone in the religious studies circle should add up to 37. So 18 plus 1 plus 15 plus this must give us 37, and that works out to be 3. And then we think, hang on, how do we get this last number here? Is there a piece of information from the question that we haven't yet used? Look, there it is, 65, which tells us all of the numbers in the whole Venn diagram have to add up to 65, and if you figure that out, you find that this is 14. Great, done. So we've done part A. Part B. First we have to read this sentence. A student in year 11 who studies both history and religious studies is chosen at random. That's these people here, isn't it? It's in the intersection of the R and the H circles in the Venn diagram. One of those 18 kids is chosen at random. Now, what's the probability that it's one of the students who does not study geography, i.e. one of these three? So you're choosing one of these 18, what's the probability that it's one of these three? Well, the answer is simply 3 out of 18, 3/18. You can simplify that if you want, but you get the marks for 3/18.